Welcome to Unique Top 10s, and in today's video, the top 10 largest marine animals. The anaconda is the largest snake in the world and only lives in South America. Despite the fact that movies have portrayed them as aggressive, they are actually not dangerous to people as they don't consider us prey. The anaconda is a constrictor type of snake. It grabs its victim and pulls it underwater, drowning the prey. They typically feed on large rodents such as capybaras, and also deer, turtles, dogs, and aquatic reptiles. They live for about 10 years. The largest verified specimen was 30 feet long, and they can weigh as much as 500 pounds. The elephant seal is one of the biggest marine animals in the world. There are two species, the northern and the southern. The northern species live primarily over the west coast of the United States, Canada, and Mexico, while the southern species lives on the coast of New Zealand, South Africa, and Argentina. Elephant seals spend up to 80% of their lives in the ocean. They can hold their breath for more than 100 minutes, longer than any other non-cetacean mammal. They are shielded from extreme cold by their blubber. Elephant seals have a helpful feature called the countercurrent heat exchanger to help conserve energy and prevent heat loss. In this system, arteries and veins are organized in a way to maintain constant body temperature by having the cool blood flow into the heart, warmed by blood going to external areas of the animal. Their lifespan is approximately 9 years. They measure 12 feet long and weigh between 2.5 and 4.4 tons. Males battle each other for dominance, and during breeding season, a male can collect a harem of 40 to 50 females. The giant squid is one of the largest animals on Earth, measuring an astonishing 42 feet long. They live in all of the world's oceans, and they are usually found near continental and island slopes. While there have been sightings, it is rare to find them in tropical or polar latitudes. The giant squid is an invasive creature, and not much is known about their reproductive cycle. They are thought to reach sexual maturity at about 3 years old, and it is believed that the male sperm is transferred in sacs or spermatophores, which it injects in the female's arms. They live for about 5 years, and they have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. The great white shark, also known as the great white or white pointer, is a species of large mackerel shark which can be found in the coastal surface waters of all the major oceans. The great white shark is notable for its size, with larger female individuals growing to 20 feet in length and up to 5,000 pounds in weight at maturity. The great white shark has no known natural predators other than, on very rare occasions, the killer whale. The great white shark is arguably the world's largest known extant macropredatory fish and is one of the primary predators of marine mammals. According to a 2014 study, the lifespan of great white sharks is estimated to be as long as 70 years or more, well above previous estimates. 5 to 10 attacks to human occur per year. Great white sharks have such a strong sense of smell that they can detect a colony of seals 2 miles away. The Japanese spider crab is a species of marine crab that lives in the waters around Japan. It has the largest leg span of any arthropod. Japanese spider crabs are mostly found off the southern coast of the Japanese island of Honshu from Tokyo Bay to Kagoshima. The Japanese spider crab is an omnivore, consuming both plant matter and animals. It also sometimes acts as a scavenger, consuming dead animals. Some have been known to scrape the ocean floor for plants and algae, while others pry open the shells of mollusks. They live at depths of 490 to 980 feet or more. The giant spider crabs migrate up to a depth of around 160 feet during breeding season. They live 100 years, they can grow to be over 12 feet long, and their claws can seriously injure you. People eat them as a delicacy, and we have no idea what their total population is. The lion's mane jellyfish, also known as the giant jellyfish, is the largest known species of jellyfish. Its range is confined to cold boreal waters of the Arctic, Northern Atlantic, and Northern Pacific Oceans. The largest recorded specimen had a bell with a diameter of 7 feet and tentacles around 112 feet long. The lion's mane jellyfish uses its stinging tentacles to capture, pull in, and eat prey such as fish, sea creatures, and smaller jellyfish. Most encounters cause temporary pain and localized redness. In normal circumstances and in healthy individuals, their stings are not known to be fatal. They can live up to 12 months. They can have up to 1,200 tentacles, and like other jellyfish, they don't have a brain. The saltwater crocodile is a large hypercarnivorous predator that ambushes and then drowns its prey. It lives in India, Southeast Asia, Australia, and Micronesia. It is claimed to be the largest living crocodilian. It is regarded as dangerous for people who share the same environment. Like most species in the crocodilian family, saltwater crocs are not fastidious in their choice of food and readily vary their prey selection according to availability. Nor are they voracious, as they are able to survive on relatively little food for a prolonged period. They can live up to 70 years, and an adult male can reach 17 feet in length and weigh 1 ton. They are the largest living reptile. The whale shark is a slow-moving, filter-feeding carpet shark and the largest known extant fish species. The largest confirmed individual had a length of 62 feet. The whale shark holds many records for size in the animal kingdom, most notably being by far the largest living non-mammalian vertebrate. The whale shark is found in open waters of the tropical oceans and is rarely found in water below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Modeling suggests a lifespan of about 70 years, and while measurements have proven difficult, estimates from field data suggest they may live as long as 130 years. Whale sharks have very large mouths and are filter feeders, and they feed almost exclusively on plankton and small fishes, and pose no threat to humans. They reach sexual maturity at around 30 years. While it's not known what the global whale shark population is, the species is considered endangered due to the impacts of fisheries, bycatch losses, and vessel strikes. The killer whale, or orca, is a toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family, of which it is the largest member. They live in all oceans and most seas. Killer whales have a diverse diet, although individual populations often specialize in particular types of prey. Some feed exclusively on fish, while others hunt marine animals such as seals and other species of dolphin. Killer whales are highly social. Some populations are composed of matrilineal family groups, which are the most stable of any animal species. Their sophisticated hunting techniques and vocal behaviors, which are often specific to a particular group and passed across generations, have been described as manifestations of animal culture. They live between 20 to 30 years. They are the only non-human animal to have evolved based on culture. They are the most widespread mammal besides humans, and they are not whales. The whale shark is a slow-moving, filter-feeding carpet shark and the largest known extant fish species. The largest confirmed individual had a length of 62 feet. The whale shark holds many records for size in the animal kingdom, most notably being by far the largest living non-mammalian vertebrate. The whale shark is found in open waters of the tropical oceans and is rarely found in water below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Modeling suggests a lifespan of about 70 years, and while measurements have proven difficult, estimates from field data suggest they may live as long as 130 years. If you liked the video, please help us with the algorithm by liking, commenting, sharing, and/or subscribing.